Would you get this question right if you saw it? What's the mistake that I see a lot of students make? A lot of students look at this question and they've done questions like 8 minus 3, 8 plus 3 for a really long time within their lives. So they think that this part's pretty easy and they go, oh, I'll tackle that part first. And then what they do, and this is, I guess, the correct part, they would then use distributive to get this answer. Unfortunately, that's not right. If you're able to, can you come up with a reason why that's not right? So I will show you at the end of this video how to do that subbing in a number for X test, but the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to do it correctly. All right, pause the video if you want to try to figure out why it's not right. So the reason that this method is not correct is because it did not follow BEDMAS. It did subtraction before it did multiplication. So if I've got BEDMAS, or again, I think some places have BODMAS, PEDMAS, PEMDAS, I should be doing the multiplication before I do the subtraction. For anyone saying, well, what about the brackets? Yes, I see brackets, that is true. However, the B in BEDMAS actually means, or the P for parentheses, means is there anything within the brackets that I can simplify? And in this case, we've got unlike terms, so no, we can't. So the correct way to do this, let's do -3 times x, -3 times 1. And this is just one of the few explanations for a distributive property. If you'd like to see a more complete video on distributive property, you can always see my other videos. But at this stage, now I can group my like terms. 8 minus 3 is 5. And so I do not get the same answer. So this is the correct answer, and this is the wrong answer. I've been trying to go over this test, this numerical test that we can do anytime we're stuck. So again, let's say we're in a test and we're trying to figure out, is this, so that's the original question, actually equal to this? Well, even if we didn't care about the right way to do it, if we just wanted to know, are these two things equal? Is this true? What we could do is that subbing in test. I'm just going to choose a number. So I'm going to choose to plug in an x value of 1. So on the left-hand side, if I used an x value of 1, and again, I'm using BEDMAS here. In this case, I do have brackets or things within the brackets I can work on. And now I do my multiplication, and I should get an answer of 2. So if this equals this, then if I replace this x with a 1, I should also get an answer of 2. So let's double check this. 5 times 1 gives me 5 plus 5. Ooh, so those don't match up, so that's how I know this is not a thing. That is not correct. So let's summarize. Here is one of the common mistakes that we make in school. Is this equal to that? No, because this person unfortunately did not follow BEDMAS and they tried to do subtraction before they do multiplication, which is distributive is multiplication. This says subtract a 3 times x plus 1. Hope that helped and hope you're able to avoid.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.